Good afternoon. It's noon on Tuesday, and so I am back to talk with you about some online resources from the Dwight Foster Library. My name is Amy, and I am the assistant director here. So let's get started. This week, I'm going to show you how to use Flipster. Flipster is our digital magazine subscription, and I'm starting at fortlibrary.org, the library's webpage. Scroll down a little bit. We've got a lot of extra things on here right now. And click on Flipster Digital Magazines. I'm going to need to sign in now with my library card number. You won't need your PIN or password, just the card number. If it starts with the word cafe, remember you do need to type the word cafe in. All right, so here we are at the Flipster basic page. There are a couple of features, latest issues, images of them. I can scroll through by just clicking on that button. All of the magazines with images, again, scroll through, clicking with that button. I'm going to take a look over here actually at categories. There are these different categories available. And I want to see what they have in terms of magazines about crochet. So I don't really know which of the crochet titles they would have. So I'm going to go down to Hobbies, Interests, and Do-It-Yourself. Select that. And there are 19 different titles in that category. About running, about flea market, woodcrafting, writing. And as I scroll down, I find they have a title, Crochet. When I click on that, it will open the magazine and display it on my screen. And starting at this point, I can simply page through the magazine by clicking on the kind of right arrow triangle and take me through several pages. I have the option to zoom, can make the text and images larger for easier reading. There is an option to look at the pages all in kind of one grouping. So say I have already looked at this magazine and what I really want is this pattern. So when I clicked on pages, I saw where it was and I can quickly go there by just clicking on that. Now there is a print option. When I point at print, I can just print the pages I am looking at, or I can print all of the pages in this magazine. So if you just want to print a recipe or a pattern or some simple thing out of a magazine, you can just do the pages in view. And lastly, I want to point out this all issues underneath the title. When I point at that, I get to see that there are a lot of back issues available with this title, going back all the way to 2014, I believe. Yeah, winter and autumn of 2014. So there's quite a collection of magazines in the crochet group available. So I'll go back to the Flipster homepage and just wanted to point out the search. Say I'm wondering if there is People magazine available. I'll just type in the word People, click search, and Flipster tells me they have People magazine and People en Español. So if you're looking for that title, it is available here, and it will work just the same way that the rest of them did. So that's our little tutorial for today on reading magazines online. We are doing curbside pickup of library holds. If you would like to learn more about that, go back to our website at fortlibrary.org. And right here, the first thing in our news is curbside pickup, and click on instructions and you will find everything you need to know. Thanks.